Team Turner is a family. A family is you plus me. Even when it's not pretty, it's always beautiful. Team Turner!
Hey, YouTube.
Yeah.
Team Turner Tribe. We missed you. But we're back with a video that's a cooking, not a tutorial, but just a little cook with us.
Yeah.
For some, it may be a tutorial. So what we're making today is our version of the Popeye's chicken sandwich.
Oh.
The infamous
Okay, because I've never had
chicken.
one.
I've never had one.
It's like,
Is there someone in the comment somewhere, one of our Team Turner Tribe members that has not had the spicy chicken Popeye sandwich yet like us? So we're the only ones
right.
So anyway, we are just going to do it our way and see how it goes. So the first things we're going to do, we're going to make our sauce so our flavors can marinate. And it's three simple. Some mayo, real mayo, not Miracle Whip. Some people like Hellman, some people like Dukes. This is what I got. Some sriracha and some honey. Three basic ingredients. And we're gonna be in the kitchen mixing stir fry. So we're gonna pause, wash our hands, and we'll be right back.
Guys.
So it's important for me to teach my kids how to cook. You know, it's important to be able to cook some basic things for yourself and care for yourself. The first thing we're doing is we're just adding the base amount of mayo that we think we're going to use for our sandwiches. I think that's enough.
Dad gonna miss out on this sauce.
Yeah, the daddy doesn't like the sauce, so oh
like
well.
Mayo.
So that was the mayo. This is the sriracha, and then we'll add. So it'll be sweet and spicy. There we go. And then you just stir it on up. Stir it up. Little tongue. Stir it up. And we're going to let that sit in the fridge. And all the flavors will have a chance to get married. Wow. We make our chicken. Those things are all salty enough. We don't want to add any more salt to the mix.
You think you need a little
Just a
bit
little more
more?
honey. We tasted it.
A tad bit.
Yeah. Okay. This is how we want it to look. Let's see.
Hate that noise. What do we think, Mommy? Oh, I like it.
I like it. Clean as you cook, y'all. We use a spoon and a fork, but it really only takes a couple moments to just clean it and then move on to the next thing. So that when you're done cooking, your kitchen's main thing. There you go.
There ain't too much to get back together.
It's hard cleaning in a messy kitchen. Okay, now I'm going to go over some of the ingredients we're going to need to get it going, and then we'll get started. So our finishers will be, we're going to have buns, and we're going to need butter to grill our buns. And I just tend to always grill buns in general. I think
It sets it off.
Yeah, yes, it adds something special. But then also some pickles. Okay, so we'll have those. Those will be put to the side. And come on over here. I set up for you all already so that we're not trying to do too much on the camera. So basically what I did, I started with flour as the base, okay? And then I put, and I'm not giving exact measurements because that's not how I cook, but I put some cornstarch. I put about a tablespoon per cup of flour into my flour. And then with the seasonings, I have black pepper, onion powder, some of this adobo with Sazon, seasoned salt, the regular adobo just a little bit, Creole seasoning, garlic pepper, paprika, basic seasonings. That's my seasoning setup, okay? That's how you season your flour. Before you even get to the point where you're starting to cook with the flour, put anything in the flour, you need to marinate your chicken. Okay, these are chicken breasts. They're sliced thinly, and they have been marinating in a mixture of sour milk, which you can also use buttermilk. I soured milk by using milk and a cup of milk each, and a teaspoon of vinegar to sour my milk. But I also used some hot sauce. You can use any kind you want. This is just a off-brand from Aldi's, but actually it reminds me of Frank's Red Hot. I really like it. And I then just put my seasonings into my brine or my marinade. Mm-hmm. It's been soaking for about 3 hours. Now we're also going to have, I don't have any buttermilk on hand. I saw that mine was no good. So this buttermilk is, I buy this, right? Buttermilk powder. And that way when I don't have buttermilk on hand, I can always just make some up. And I used the 2/3 cup of water and 2.5 tablespoons of the buttermilk powder. And we have that ready because we're going to have a station going that I'm going to let you all see how we do it. We already have our cooking oil. You can use peanut oil if you like. I have the vegetable oil, but peanut oil is another good one. And we have it here in our little stationary deep fryer. I put it on low as we started this video. Now I'm going to turn it up a little bit to 4. So by the time we dredge, so medium high, by the time we dredge our chicken, that grease will be ready for us. Okay, so we just want to get these seasonings out the way. Give us a second. Here. And we're going to set up our station. The way we're setting up our station is we're going to go dry, wet, dry. So basically, we're going to show you the whole process, but you want to set up a station so that it's smooth and it just flows. After you dredge it, you can drop it on in the grease, and you're not trying to be all over the counter. You want to work in a systemized, organized manner, okay? All right, so the buttermilk mixture, we're cracking egg into there. There's 2 eggs for that cup of buttermilk mixture, and we're just going to get that whipped up. This is our station setup. Let's show you. So we have our dry, our wet, our dry, and then here's the pan to let it sit so it can rest a little while before we put it into the grease, okay? All right, people, you can go ahead and stir. Now watch me whip. Now watch me whip. Now watch me whip. Watch me. Watch me do it. Hey.
Can you do it? Watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me.
Add some pepper.
In the seasoning.
We'll add a little pepper. You want all your layers seasoned well. Add a little pepper and add a little garlic. Just a little cayenne. Right, here's the garlic. And some of the hot sauce. layering. And just, you know, let the spirit move you. You don't have to have exact measurements. You got to, you can't teach this skill. You know what I mean? You just have to use your instincts. Go with what you think will be right. Oh, okay. I was telling her to go ahead and start, but she started. Alright, so we'll put a couple little pieces in here. This is a dry batter here. I'm going to show Bebop how to do it, and then she'll do it.
Mm-hmm.
So we go from dry to wet. Dry to wet to dry. Okay.
Now we gonna shake.
Shake it.
Show me what you're working with. Show me what you're working with. Hey.
Let's see. That's how you do it. If you don't do that, it's not gonna turn out right, y'all.
You gotta put some love into it.
Put your back into it. Hey.
Oh, put your back into it. Hey.
Anyway, see how those pieces form? Those little chunky pieces?
The crunchies.
That'll be the crunchies. Yeah, I'm gonna shake that off. See that? Look at that.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful, baby. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do for all of them. And I'm gonna show Bebop doing one, and then we're gonna get them all done. Bebop's turn. You always kind of get rid of the excess, okay? Y'all gotta let me know how you think she's doing. I think she's doing a great job.
For a first timer.
And tell me, anyone watching, who taught you how to fry chicken? Or did you learn on your own? Chicken breast, chicken wings. I've taught them how to do wings. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're doing good, Bebop. Yep, that's exactly right. Awesome.
Me shake.
Now it's your turn to shake it. Shake it. Don't break it. Alright. Shake it, don't break it. Gonna shake it, don't break it. Gotta shake it, don't break it. Gotta shake it, don't break it. Shake it, now shake it. Now shake it, don't break it. Team Turner making chicken. Not Popeye's Team Turner chicken. Hey, go shake it, go shake it, go shake it, shake it, shake it. Did you do the holy dance? Okay, now we're gonna get it out the dredge. Shake it off. That's how it should look. It's looking great, B. It's looking great. Look just like your mama's. All right. Okay, now we're going to finish up this chicken, getting it all dipped. We only have a few more left. And then we will drop it in the grease. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Hey. Drop it like it's hot. Okay, last little bit of chicken. Let's shake it, shake it. Don't break it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Don't break it, shake it. Tosh, you helping make the chicken? Yeah.
Let's go back. Ready? Make it four.
Mm-hmm.
Look at you. I'm not shaking you or a chicken. Let me shake.
Are you shaking the chicken or is the chicken shaking you?
Shaking me.
It's shaking you. And Bebop. Okay. See, there's a chicken that's been resting.
or grease.
No, wait, it's not.
It's about ready. You can see the movement of the grease. You can tell. Do you see the movement of the grease, y'all? You can tell it's about ready. You gotta shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Turn the fried chicken, and y'all know it's finna be right. Hey, shake it to the left, and shake it to the right. Turn the fried chicken, and y'all know it's finna be right. So this was the first one, and this gonna be the first one. And it was the first one. Come on. Gotta give them what they look what. Give the people what they want.
Yes.
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 So we're gonna let those go. You fried. It's gonna take about. It's gonna take about 15 minutes from start to finish. Okay, but the bottom line is when you're frying chicken, you want to make sure you fry it until it's golden brown on the outside, and when on the inside the juices run clear. You do not want to see any pink, no blood. The meat should be white on the inside. There should not, and the juices should be. All right, while we still frying, we're gonna get the buns set up. Get them grilled. Yeah. Yo.
Seasoning all out.
Yeah, that seasoning is all up in. I just gotta go a little longer. How about 5 more minutes? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these buns, get them grilled up. Butterfingers, pun intended. Pun intended. Ew. Oh, you hear your dad trying to sing. He swear he can sing. Okay. It's about time to take this chicken out. And the crew is down here. You hear them fussing at each other. Home on the range with Team Turner. A friend. I need to go just a little longer. Trying to see that. Y'all, look. Excuse the crying toddler in the background. She hasn't had her chicken sandwich yet. All right, the time has come for assembly of our sandwich. This is our honey sriracha sauce. You can put as little as much as you want to.
No rules in our house.
No rules. You do what you want when you pop in. And a little pickle. I think I want my pickle on the bottom.
Yeah, I don't want mine to move. There's only 6 pieces.
Now we'll make leonis and then we can eat. We're all done. And we're ready to do our testing. Okay, so
A toast to us.
A
And
toast to
bonding
us.
over cooking.
mother-daughter bonding. Some fresh distilled lime water. All right, y'all. The moment of truth. Okay, Bebop, you ready?
Ready as I ever be. Yeah, we can get my hands on it. The sauce adds that extra touch on it too. Just now we've been letting it soak into our chicken.
I have to buy the pickle. I ain't got no pickle. Wow.
Move my pickle out. I'm serious.
My bad. I hadn't even. It's so good. I ain't even.
Season all the way through.
There's just so much flavor. I don't even have the napkins here. I'm saying, so yeah.
You Mexican.
Y'all gotta try this if you haven't tried it. And then you know what? It's nothing like home cooking anyway. It's much better.
I haven't tasted the Popeyes yet. But I would love to compare because
We'll do a comparison, but
top tier.
just knowing what went into making your food, to me, is better. So we do a lot of copycat recipes, or we'll see stuff. Well, whatever food we like, I'll do it at home. We have homemade almost anything that you do at a restaurant. So this one right here, though, yeah.
Oh, sucking into the cream.
It's so bomb. That sauce is good, y'all. That's all of it.
That's what you mean by the crunch of the pickle too.
That crisp. So, let us know in the comments any other types of things, foods, meals you want to see us make together, and we got you. We'll do it.
We'll do it.
In the meantime, we'll be just sharing some things that we already been doing. But, y'all, don't forget to tell us if you've had the Popeye's chicken sandwich and if you tried it at home. If you do decide to try it at home, tag us at Team Turner TV. Follow us on Instagram. We have a new Instagram. We're also on TikTok now. So we have a lot of fun things coming up. But in the meantime,
check us out.
Yes. And always remember,
Lord. I'm trying.
It's bomb. Things aren't always pretty in the family, but they're always beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always share. Tap the bell so you know when we post another video.
That would be happening right now.
Turn her out.
Everything.
Everything's on point, man.
Everything. Like the bread was real buttered and crispy.
Oh yeah, so
Popeye soup?
Right, bitter.
yeah, for all the other sandwiches we didn't have enough buns, so we just toasted our wheat bread, toasted it with butter, made it super buttery and crisp, toasty. Hold it up, D, so they can see. Yeah.
Look at the
Left
edges.
of it.
Yo. Yo.
You
Why you should have sauce on your plate?
have enough sauce, Tosh.
And that last bite smacked.
The last bite. What was in your last bite?
The sauce, y'all.
Oh,
And I
that's
had a little bit of the pickle in it too. Yes.
She got her pinky out on that one.
I don't know why I always do that.
Because you're your mama's child.
Because I had my pinky out too.